Dino Fresh Organics tip. If you want to have organics and onions and you want to keep them fresh, the best way to do it is take advantage of the Dino tip. This is amazing technology, and you can do it in your own house. You take your green onions, we even cut them here a couple days ago, and you can see it grew in the fridge. That's the freshest you could ever have. Possible is that it's actually growing in your fridge. So this is the freshest organic you'll ever get. That's the Dino tip, and it is organic Dino tip number 1.